Caught on camera, a gator swimming in the Gulf. Now, this is the second time in recent weeks that a gator has been spotted swimming near the beach. This one was spotted in Boca Grande on Lighthouse Beach. And Bob, I believe you're the one who had a viewer send you this video, right?
Absolutely, yeah. I've been corresponding with her on Facebook. I first posted the picture of the gator. Someone sent that in. And that was Miss Moore down there, and then that person saw it and said, well, I have video, so they sent video in, so we appreciate that. Yeah, you don't see them there very often. I mean, occasionally, you know, more cameras out there, I think we see them more now too, but kind of scary. She said she was walking with her family along the beach, and that's a very popular beach. The lighthouse there is historic, and then she was warning the people that were in the water to get out. Here comes a gator.
No kidding.
Yeah. Anyway, kind of unusual there, and I tell you what, sunset, another beauty tonight looking toward the west. Not much going on out there, but a spectacular night, and I had a chance to walk out and get something to eat, and while I was going through the parking lot, I said it wasn't east, it wasn't west I was looking west, and west, I should say, was not the best when it turned to these clouds. Get a look at this. These are the clouds that folks saw in the storm that popped up just east of I-75. This is Cindy Desmond. I also saw that, and it was amazing. Here's another shot. Fred Seeger, the same, looking off toward the east, again showing that one storm developing as a result of outflow boundary. And yes, Vasilescu always gets these lightning strikes, and he got this one again and sent it in. An amazing shot there. And also Rita Zucchelli said, I love these shots, but she never gets lightning. Well, here it is, the lightning shot she got, and she got it on the air here. There's that one storm. You can see it wasn't around long, then it kind of went and exited off Venice and Englewood, maybe some light rain there, some heavier rain into east central portions of Sarasota, but all of it's gone for the most part and will stay offshore. We could see some redevelopment overnight, but not much. Well, here it is. This is Chris still sitting and spinning in upwelling cooler water now, and so it hasn't really strengthened much, although I think tomorrow as it starts to move off to the northeast, it will move over the Gulf Stream where it's a little bit warmer. It's over the Gulf Stream now, but because of the place that it's been over and over again, it just keeps getting cooler and cooler underneath that particular storm. For us, clear overnight, looking good. Not much happening, and then showers and storms in the afternoon and evening, so a little bit better chance of that happening. Usually these tropical systems, they leave behind or develop a little trough to the south of them, and that's what we're going to see over South Florida. A little bit better chance over South Florida for storms, but we'll be close enough to get a few. And even on Wednesday, I think we'll have a pretty good chance of seeing showers and storms. Less action to the north as some drier air moves in, but that little trough of low pressure will hang on over South Florida. And in the tropics, we continue to watch the remnants of what was Beryl. It's still causing big problems, even though it's not a big windstorm. It's a big rainstorm for Puerto Rico and eventually on into Haiti and Dominican Republic. They're already starting to see some heavy rain there, but luckily a lot of it has missed them. This system has a good chance of redevelopment in the next few days. You know, it's very cool out here, considerably cold. In fact, it's the coldest on record since 1982, but get a look at this. This is where all the warm water is right now in the Gulf of Mexico and just off of southeast Florida and in the Caribbean. This is not the best place for that warm water because if a storm were to get in here and the conditions would become more favorable, then you'd see the possibility of a stronger storm. Temperatures right now into the upper 70s to low 80s, not much to cool us down this evening. It feels like 88 degrees right now. And the high today was up there. It was at 93, our normal high at 90, and the record was 95. So here's the forecast for boaters tomorrow. Seas running less than 2 feet. It'll be light to smooth conditions out there as far as the wave action goes. And the extended forecast then calling for a little bit better chance for some scattered storms tomorrow afternoon. High temperatures will stay close to the average, and we'll have a 30 to 40% chance for rain over the next 7 days. A little less action, though, over the weekend, so the weekend looks to be pretty good once again. Jacqueline?
Thank you.